Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to send large files on Gmail both on your computer and phone. So let's get started. First I'll show you how to do it on your computer. So open your favorite browser and go to your Gmail. Once you are there, click on Compose to create a new email. Enter the recipient's email address, then type your subject. After that, click on the attach files icon. It looks like a paperclip, as you can see. Your file manager will appear, allowing you to select the file you want to send. If the file is larger than 25 megabytes, Gmail will prompt you to upload the file to Google Drive. Once you confirm, Gmail will automatically upload the file to Google Drive and insert a link to the file into the email. This allows the recipient to download the file by simply clicking on the link. Now let's move on to mobile devices. To do this on your phone, you need to have the Google Drive app installed. If your file is larger than 25 MB, simply open the Drive app, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and then tap and upload. Locate the file you want to upload and it will be added to your drive. Once uploaded, open the Gmail app, tap the plus icon to create a new email and enter the recipient's email address. At the top, tap the attachment button, the paperclip one, as you can see. Then tap the second option from the drop down which says insert from drive. Now tap on My Drive and locate the file you just uploaded. Select the file and Gmail will automatically insert a link to it in the email. So this way the recipient can download the file directly from the link. And that's it, guys. That's how you can actually send large files on Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.